Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Transfer Viber message to a new phone. So this video, to do that, all you need to do is open up a Viber, then click on more. After clicking on more, click on our settings right here. So we need to do is click on our account and Viber backup. So right here, we need to back up everything, including photos, videos, and all of that. And we need to link our email first right here. So after doing that, clicking all of that, click on backup now. So there you go. There you go. No message history, so we don't have any message history, so we don't have anything to back up. But there you go. That's how you back up. Click on back up. Then there we go. After you back up, and when you download it to a new phone, so say you download to a new phone, it will back up all of your call this all of your messages and history on your old phone. So you can see, guys, now we're gonna restore and we're gonna move our chat to this other phone, which is the same phone, but just clear the cache and deleted the uninstalled the app. So yeah, click on connect to Google Drive. After that, click on settings, just allow the permission right here. There you go. Just allow the contacts. There you go. And let's go move back. I think that's about it. There you go. Now choose the email. There you go. Then connecting. Then no backup found because yeah, we got no messages there on our other account. So yeah, that's why it looks it says no backup found. But if we have messages there, we'll be able to have the backup. There you go. Using this app, while using this app, allow. There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.